Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks. You can see my washing in the background, and I'm flight ready as I'm about to go to LA and Las Vegas with Sunglass Hut. So make sure you tune into my Instagram and follow me over on Instagram so you can keep up with my trip. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog out there. This video is gonna go up a few days once I'm already there, so I'll either be vlogging or not, but let me know in the comments if you would like me to vlog that trip, because I don't really vlog trips anymore, and after Coachella I was like, should I be vlogging my trips? But it's hard to know what you guys want to see, especially if I'm on like a trip with other like YouTubers and fashion bloggers, because I don't really know what you want to see, like, it's hard. Anyway, I teased on my Instagram a few days ago that I was trying on new pieces in none other than Dior. I don't know if you guys saw the pre-fall collection, but it was actually insane. So they did the show in Tokyo, and it's a collaboration with the artist. I am sorry if I get the pronunciation of this name incorrect. Hajime Sorayama. Sorayama's work is all kind of like futuristic sculptures, artworks, paintings, drawings of like futuristic robot-like beings. So we've got like sexy robot ladies, dinosaurs, amphibian creatures, just so much cool stuff, and it's amazing. And I'm so happy that Kim at Dior decided to collaborate with different artists for each collection. Like we saw Cause for spring summer, and for pre-fall we've seen Hajime Sorayama. There was also an artist collaborated with for fall winter 19, but I can't remember the artist's name from the top of my head. There was a lot of like illustrations, and that was really sick as well. So obviously when the Hajime Sorayama stuff dropped last week, I was like, I need to go check it out. So I went to try on some pieces at Selfridges and picked up a couple of things. So I really wanted to get this up before I left for Las Vegas and LA, because the collection is out now, it is online, and I've had so many messages on Instagram asking what pieces I bought, how's the fit, and all that kind of jazz. So I just wanted to show you guys what the deal is with these. Now, I was really lucky as I tried the pieces on early, and since I couldn't take them home that day because the official collection wasn't actually released, the guys at Dior put in a little gift for me. So I'm gonna come up and show you, because they're quite small, these things. So I got a little gift bag, a little bubble of laces, some spare shoelaces, and this little ball. A Dior Sneakers Rubik's Cube with like the B22, B21, and the B01, and little Dior Bs on it as well. Some collectible Dior pin badges, which are really sweet as well, of the same sneakers that were on the Rubik's Cube, which is a really nice little touch. Some stickers of the same sneakers from the pins as well. Even though this is like the most basic, this is absolutely, without a doubt, my favorite little gift that was included. It is a little Dior bag, and it's basically, I don't know if you can tell from here, but they're paper clips of like the B and like a big D for Dior, and little sneaker paper clips as well. I'll try and hold it up even closer so you can see. You can kind of make out the sneaker there, and a D here, and the B there. I just think these are so sick. Little paper clips. That was really nice of them to include a little gift, because I wasn't able to take the things I purchased home straight away. But then I went back to Selfridges and was able to pick up my pieces. So of the whole Sorayama collection for pre-fall, there are loads and loads of amazing pieces. I tried on, for example, this turtleneck, kind of like fine knit, which was incredible. Because we've just gone into May and like the start of summer, I know that I'm not going to wear this knit, so I kind of opted out of purchasing it. Also, it's a very kind of like, it's an iconic piece, and I don't think it's as wearable as like say the t-shirts. The t-shirts I'll be able to wear throughout summer, so I picked up 2 t-shirts. And I did look at some other pieces as well, including like the accessories and bomber jackets, but I just really liked these 2 t-shirts, so I thought I would go for these for now and see if anything else picks up my fancy, because this was like the first wave, and I think there's going to be like a second drop with all the like saddlebags. There was of course the infamous 25,000, however much it was, metal saddlebag. There is not that many of these, and obviously if you have 25k to drop on a saddlebag, then you're obviously that kind of person. I really want to see it in real life and like try it on and see what it's like. I wonder if it's like heavy, I wonder if it is like sharp, because it's made of metal, I have no idea. But that really, really intrigues me, so I'm gonna see if I can at least see one in real life at some point when they hit the stores. So yeah, so the first piece that I went for was the T-Rex tee. Here you get the little Dior and Sorayama tags, and the print itself is kind of like on a vinyl, I guess, kind of layered over the top. And then you have the kind of metal robot T-Rex shooting lasers out of its eye, and then you have like the cherry blossoms around it and the Dior at the bottom. I got it in a size large because I tried on the extra large and it was a bit too big. The fit of the t-shirt is quite different. So like this one is vinyl and just kind of like a regular fit t-shirt. And this one comes in for retail at £420, I believe. So yeah, that is that one. And then because I always wear black, I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna switch it up. And I think this print looked nicer on white anyway. So I got the white tee with the lady robot on. Oh, you really can't see that. Let me turn the brightness down. Yeah, okay, so I got this one in white, and you have the, again, the robot in the middle, and then Dior is placed behind the robot in the background with more cherry blossoms. But this is less of a, it's still like a vinyl print, but the T-Rex one is kind of shiny, whereas this one is more matte looking. And this is available, they're both available in black and white, but I thought this one looked nicer on white, and that one looked better in black. And this is more expensive, but this is $5.50, I believe. The actual t-shirt itself, this one feels like a more oversized boxy fit with more of a like ribbed knit like kind of neckline, whereas this neckline is like a standard t-shirt neckline. This one is kind of like a ribbed neckline, whereas this is just a plain like kind of fabric neckline. And this t-shirt is kind of a thicker cotton, whereas this one is thinner. So yeah, $420, $5.50. I also picked up this tee in a large because I tried on the extra large and it was just way too big. And it kind of like, I think when the shoulders look a bit funny on it, it just makes it all look a bit off. So yeah, I went for the large. Yeah, I was really inspired and super, I remember Drew DM'd me and was like, is that a Yu-Gi-Oh collaboration? And it honestly does remind me of like anime, mecha, futuristic robots, giving me Blue Eyes White Dragon vibes, and I'm just so here for that. And yeah, the collection is just so beautiful. And in a lot of the spaces, like they had a pop-up in China and they put like the actual robot. One, I don't know if it was the one they used for the show, because one for the show was huge with like lasers shot across it and everything. But the one for the pop-up was super awesome as well. And I'm hoping that they're going to bring some robots to here to London as well, so I can check them out. Oh, also, I forgot to say, I'm wearing a new Ada Era tracksuit, and this t-shirt is from a website called Almighty. It's like anime girls, but in like a major glitter moment. I'll put links to everything from this video in the description box below. I hope that you've enjoyed this kind of mini Dior unboxing, and I'd love to know your thoughts on the new collection for pre-fall 19. I can't believe this is just a pre-fall collection as well. Kim is giving us everything we want from Dior at the moment, or from a men's fashion kind of world at the moment. We're getting like so many drops and so many interesting collabs, and it's just keeping everything really fresh and exciting, and I'm really, really thankful for that, because it kind of sparked a huge interest and like boost in like the morale of the menswear community, I guess, because it's like we have something to get our teeth into, and it's awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.